According to the National Electrical Code and industry best practices, completing device box splices is recommended. This means crimping or soldering the wires together and covering them with wire nuts or electrical tape. Completed splices ensure proper electrical connections and minimize the risk of electrical fires or shocks. Properly spliced wires provide a stable and reliable electrical path, reducing the chance of loose connections or intermittent operation. Most jurisdictions require device box splices to be completed. Completing splices as you go along saves time compared to having to go back and finish them later. While some inspectors may not have issues with unfinished splices, there are reasons why they may require them to be completed, such as neatness and craftsmanship, safety concerns, and code enforcement. Completed splices present a more professional and finished appearance. Incomplete splices can create a hazard if they are not properly insulated. Inspectors are responsible for ensuring that electrical installations meet code requirements. If an inspector raises concerns about unfinished splices, it is important to be respectful because inspectors have the authority to enforce code requirements. Explain your reasoning, letting the inspector know why you prefer to leave splices unfinished. Offer a compromise, suggesting completing splices in low-traffic areas or where they are less visible. If the inspector insists, comply with their requests or adjust your installation methods accordingly. Firstly, plan out your device box layout to minimize the number of splices required. Secondly, use appropriate wire nuts or electrical tape to secure your splices. Thirdly, ensure that your splices are properly insulated with heat shrink tubing or electrical tape. Keep records of your electrical installations, including any deviations from standard practice.